Hello, the given question is from test series 2, subject control system and chapter state variable analysis, and this question is 2 marks question. Here the given the state equation model that has x1 x2 is equal to minus 2 3 0 3 minus 3. These are the elements of matrix A, and then x1 that is multiplied with x1 and x2 plus 1 by 1 and 1, that is B matrix into U. So we have to find the state transition matrix of this given model. So this given model that is in the term of x is equals to A x plus B U. So A is this matrix and B is this matrix. So in order to find the state transition matrix, we have the formula e a to the power of t, because the given options are in the powers of e. So that is equal to Laplace inverse of s into I minus a whole inverse. So first we'll have to find out the si minus a. So s into I is nothing but identity matrix multiplied with the S matrix. So this is S into I minus this is A matrix. So when you subtract with these two matrix, we will obtain this one, this matrix. So we have obtained S into I minus A. So next we have to find out inverse. So that can be obtained by taking the inverse of this matrix. So that is obtained using the formula A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjacent of A, using this formula. So taking this whole term as A and using the linear matrix, linear algebra matrix formula. So when you simplify, for the further simplification, when you multiply this term with this term, and we'll s plus 3 will be cancelled and s plus 2 will be cancelled, and we'll obtain 1 by s plus 2 and 1 by s plus 3, and rest terms are 0. And now we have obtained S into I minus A inverse, that is this matrix. So when we'll substitute in this formula, so that is Laplace inverse of I minus A inverse Si minus A inverse, substituting that this matrix and simplifying, applying Laplace inverse to this matrix, we'll obtain e to the power of minus 2t 0, and this one is 0, and e to the power of minus 3t. So this is the answer, and this is the option A. So from this question we have learned how to find out the state transition matrix for the given system, which is of this form: x is equal to A into x plus B into U. So, and how to find out the inverse of this matrix. Thank you.